Hi everyone, for Evergreen Wellness, I'm Jaime Brenkus with your quick fit tip. You can get fit and never have to leave your house. There are lots of ideas utilizing everyday activities and household things. How about cans of soup? We can do chest, biceps, back, shoulders, and tricep exercises. How about this mop? You can clean the house and get fit by doing lunges, squats, or twists. You can burn 200 calories in an hour by mopping. And when it comes to your clothes, you want them to be clean, but you want to get lean. Why not use your laundry basket? You can do squats, lunge with twists, or how about a shoulder press or chest press? You can have the cleanest house and the best body all in one.